How to sign up for GroupMe or how to accept terms of service. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of signing up for GroupMe and how to accept the terms of service. GroupMe is a fantastic app for group messaging and I'll make sure you get started smoothly. Let's jump right in. First, if you don't have the app yet, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download GroupMe. You can also access it on your web browser by visiting groupme.com. Once you installed, open the app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see the option to sign up. Click on sign up or get started. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. Choose whichever option you prefer to create your account. After entering your phone number or email, you receive a verification code. Input this code to verify your account, then fill in your name and set a password. Make sure your password is strong for better security. As part of the sign-up process, you'll be presented with the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these documents. You'll need to check the box indicating that you have read and accepted the terms before proceeding. Once done, click on the Sign Up button to complete your registration. Once you're signed up, you'll have the option to set up your profile. You can add a profile picture and customize your settings. Don't forget to explore the app to familiarize yourself with all of its new features. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for GroupMe and accepted the terms of service. Now you're ready to start messaging and connecting with your groups. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.